Transform your reality. The 6 principles of the mirror effect. Welcome back to Elevated Sapiens. If you're ready to transform your reality and take control of your life, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring a powerful concept called the mirror effect. Imagine looking into a mirror that doesn't just reflect your physical appearance, but also your thoughts, beliefs, and self-perception. By changing what you see inside, you can change everything around you. Inner change reflects outer change. The first principle of the mirror effect is understanding that reality is a reflection of your inner self. Think of your inner world as the script that your outer world follows. If you want to see changes in your life, start by changing your inner narrative. For instance, if your goal is to become a millionaire, you need to start seeing yourself as one from within. Visualize your wealthy self, feel the confidence and security that comes with it, and let these feelings seep into your daily life. Your external world will gradually mirror this new self-perception. It's like planting a seed. Nurture it with positive thoughts and actions, and watch it grow into your reality. Interactive moment. Take a moment right now. Close your eyes and visualize your future self. Who are you? What do you do every day? How do you feel? Share your vision in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you see. Crafting your identity. To achieve your long-term goals, you need to adopt the identity of someone who has already achieved them. It's not just about setting goals, it's about becoming the person who naturally achieves those goals. Visualize your future self. What traits and characteristics does this person have? Maybe they're disciplined, confident, and fearless. Start embodying these traits today. Ask yourself, who am I being now? And who do I need to become? This practice aligns your actions with your desired outcomes and starts the process of transformation. Exercise. Write down 3 traits your future self possesses. How can you start incorporating these traits into your daily life right now? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's support each other on this journey. Positive focus. Now let's talk about focus. What you focus on expands. If you focus on lack, you get more lack. If you focus on abundance, you attract abundance. This is where the power of positive focus comes into play. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, concentrate on what you already have and what you want. This shift in focus transforms your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Daily affirmations are a fantastic tool for this. Try affirmations like, I am worthy of abundance, and the world conspires in my favor. Repeat them daily and watch how your perspective changes. Interactive activity. Pause the video and write down 3 things you're grateful for and 3 things you want to attract into your life. Feel free to share them in the comments. Let's create a wave of positive energy together. Embracing delayed manifestation. Patience is key in this journey. Physical changes take time to manifest because the material world is dense and operates with a delay. Stay committed to your new identity and beliefs even when it seems like nothing is happening. Understand that there is always a lag between your internal changes and their external manifestations. Don't get discouraged if results don't appear immediately. Trust the process. Your patience and persistence will pay off. Personal story. Let me share a quick story. When I first started applying the mirror effect, I didn't see immediate changes. I kept visualizing, affirming, and believing, even when doubts crept in. And then one day, things started to shift. Small opportunities appeared, my confidence grew, and gradually, my reality transformed. Hold on to your vision. It's worth it. Think of your inner world as a garden. When you plant a seed, you don't expect it to bloom overnight. You water it, give it sunlight, and patiently wait as it grows. Similarly, your desires and goals need time and consistent nurturing to manifest. Each positive thought and action is like watering your garden. Even if you don't see immediate results, trust that beneath the surface, growth is happening. Interactive moment. Have you ever experienced a delayed manifestation in your life? Maybe something you worked on for a long time that eventually paid off? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experiences might inspire others to keep going. Breaking the old cycle. Many people get stuck in a cycle of observing their current reality and reacting to it. This reactive cycle keeps you trapped in your current situation. To break free, you need to start with the desired image and confirm the small changes that align with this vision. Turn your back on current limitations and focus on the new reality you want to create. Remember, your current reality is a result of past decisions. To shape tomorrow, make conscious choices today. This proactive approach empowers you to create your desired future. Instead of letting the present moment dictate your future, use your desired future to influence your present actions. It's about reversing the cycle. Start by envisioning your desired reality, then act in ways that align with that vision. Gradually, you'll see your reality shift to match your inner image. For the next week, each time you catch yourself reacting negatively to a situation, pause and reframe it. Focus on what you want instead of what you don't want. Share your experiences in the comments. We're all in this together. Imagine you're facing a challenging situation at work. Instead of getting frustrated, take a moment to visualize how you would handle this situation if you were already in your desired role or state. How would the confident, successful you respond? By aligning your actions with this vision, you start to break the old reactive cycle and create a new proactive one. The power of confirmation. The final principle is all about confirmation. Instead of merely observing and reacting, start by forming the image of what you want. Confirm the positive changes you see, no matter how small they are. This confirmation process reinforces your new beliefs and helps them solidify. Over time, this practice brings about significant and lasting change. Small wins add up, and before you know it, your entire reality shifts. It's like a snowball effect. Once it starts rolling, it gains momentum and transforms everything in its path. Instead of waiting for big changes, celebrate the small victories. Each positive shift, no matter how minor, is a step toward your ultimate goal. By acknowledging these small wins, you build momentum and reinforce your new identity and worldview. Remember, this journey is all about progress, not perfection. Celebrate each step forward, no matter how small. Your consistent effort will lead to extraordinary results. Example: if your goal is to improve your fitness, don't just celebrate when you reach your target weight. Celebrate each workout, each healthy meal, each positive choice. These small confirmations reinforce your commitment and keep you motivated. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey through the mirror effect. By applying these 6 principles, you can reshape your inner world and, in turn, your outer reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to Elevated Sapiens for more insightful content. The Mirror Cycle. Now that we've explored the core principles of the mirror effect, let's delve into an advanced technique that can accelerate your transformation: the mirror cycle. This technique takes the principles we've discussed and amplifies their impact by creating a continuous loop of manifestation and confirmation. The mirror cycle begins with deep introspection and setting clear intentions for what you want to create in your life. Visualize your desired reality in vivid detail and feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. This sets the stage for the next step: affirmation and belief. Affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming your subconscious mind. Create affirmations that reflect your desired reality and repeat them daily with conviction. For example, "I am attracting abundance effortlessly," or "I am worthy of success and happiness." These affirmations reinforce your new beliefs and align your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. Next, take inspired action. The mirror cycle is not just about wishful thinking, it's about taking deliberate steps towards your goals. Break down your vision into actionable steps and start implementing them consistently. Each action you take reinforces your commitment and signals to the universe that you're serious about your intentions. As you begin to see results, no matter how small, it's crucial to acknowledge and celebrate them. This is the confirmation phase of the mirror cycle. Celebrate your wins no matter how small, and use them as fuel to propel you forward. This positive feedback loop reinforces your new beliefs and accelerates the manifestation of your desired reality. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Keep evolving and stay elevated.